Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering off the Hesh 3 and detaching any cable. This prevents accidental damage. Once done, lay the headphones on a soft cloth and position the ear cup so you can access the seam. Using a small flat tool or your fingernail, pry gently at the pad edge away from the plastic lip. You're releasing a clip-in groove hold. Be deliberate and slow, ripping the pad risks tearing. Keep the removed pad to compare mounting tabs for the new one. You now remove the old pad by peeling it evenly around the perimeter so tabs don't fold or tear. As you expose the plastic frame, take note of any orientation marks or notches. The new pad must match those positions. Place the replacement pad over the ear cup, aligning the inner ring and any alignment marks. Then, press the pad into the groove starting at one point and working around the circumference, making small, consistent pushes ensures the ring seats fully and avoids puckering. Finish by running your fingers around the pad edge to confirm uniform seating. Any lifted tabs should be pressed fully into the groove. Once both sides are replaced, reconnect the cable and power the headphones on. Play familiar audio to check seal and soundstage, since pad fit affects bass and comfort. If audio seems muffled or uneven, make sure the pad isn't inverted or the foam inside is displaced. If problems persist, reseat the pad or try the spare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.